Hello once again, everybody. It's 12:07 and 38 seconds on December 3rd. This is the second trying of me running the Spider-Man 361. I was able to post the video of the first time I did it. The screencast froze before the first roll. It seems to be happening from time to time. So just so everybody can see, the video has been posted of probably about 10-12 minutes ago. I tried to run it the first time around and it froze. So here is take two. Okay, again, Spider-Man 361. Here are the 14 filled spots. I'm gonna roll the 3 dice. Number is 16. I'm gonna randomize 16 times. Name at the top of the list will get the book. It will ship out tomorrow, December 4th. Good luck. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and here comes the final one, 16, spot 10, Peter DeGroot. Congratulations. Time is 12:08 and 51.